open this and this. So, this one first. So, we're gonna try this. That's sour. And then, it says so sour, but it's not even acid. I think it's water. No, I think it's Sprite. It's Sprite. It does look like water. And then, this one tomorrow too. This is so sweet and so juicy, and I don't know. That is so sweet. I think I'm gonna eat more. Bye guys.